Morning, everybody. As you can see, we're back here in Galveston, and all of our checked luggage is all put up. All I have is a camera bag and a little carry-off, I guess you could say, for a change of clothes and laptop and all that. So we're about to go up and get a little bit of breakfast, and then we got luggage tag number 1. So once all that clears, we'll be off the ship. Hopefully around 9. I'm hoping 8:45, 9 o'clock. Hopefully. We'll see. What time is it now? 6:42. So yeah. I just found out this morning by looking at the Facebook that doggone Jimmy Buffett died. Ever since we've been out here, these last 2 weeks, we found out that Terry Funk died, Ray Wyatt died, and now Jimmy Buffett. Which, the reason why I'm bringing that up here on the channel is because for so many years on this channel, and when I used to post these videos to my main channel, actually, these videos consisted of a lot of Jimmy Buffett music, and so, and in our playlist, our cruise and our beach playlist, because I have like a playlist on my phone, right, for whatever we're doing, and a lot of times we come down to Crystal Beach or whatever, and there's a lot of Jimmy Buffett on my playlist. And then on my cruise playlist, a lot of Jimmy Buffett, Kenny Chesney, people like that. And so kind of sad to see that Jimmy Buffett, which has been an inspiration to a lot of musicians, that gives us this salt life type of music, I guess you can call it salt life. The beach music, the beach vibes, the ocean vibes. So definitely a big loss in the country music slash rock and roll genre. Everybody loves Jimmy Buffett. So yeah, so definitely something that thinking about, obviously, because he's provided a lot of good music, not just his own music, but he's collaborated with a lot of country music artists that, so yeah, I'm sure that it's a big loss. But anyway, you guys, by the time you see this video, this probably already happened a few weeks ago. So, but as I'm recording this video now, it's fresh news. But anyway, we are pulling into port. Looks like we're docking a little bit. The breeze is right in front of us, and I'm gonna get all my camera stuff here ready, because this is the last clip of the cruise, and I'm gonna put that camera, and my other camera is in the bag already. I'm gonna put all this in the camera bag and zip it all up and go up and have some breakfast and get off the ship. So hey, our next cruise is in December on Carnival Horizon out of Miami. I will be vlogging that whole trip, including the road trip to Miami. Okay, so if you like the travel type of content that we do here, not just the cruise, but the travel stuff as well, where we go and explore different places, subscribe and check that stuff out. We've got Colorado trips, and probably next year I'll be taking some trips into Oklahoma and some places like that, to do some travel type videos and show you guys some different things. So So yeah, this is a cruising channel, but this is also a travel channel. Maybe I should change the name to Blue Collar Travel, because hey, we're traveling. We'll see. Anyways, guys, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope you enjoyed them. And we'll see you guys on our next trip on the Carnival Horizon 73.